Hello, this is Shabreen Reza Prova. I have completed my HS examination from 𝗬𝗎𝗎𝗲 Government College. After that, I was looking for some good agency to continue my further studies abroad. So I came to know about ProInfo and Education Consultant. When I visit their office, they helped me a lot, and I recently got my visa, and the entire credit goes to ProInfo and Education Consultant because they helped me a lot throughout the whole journey. And I have got my visa on 19th September. I'm going to complete my study in Australia at AIBI Higher Education, and my subject is cybersecurity. And they helped me to get a 35% scholarship. So I think if you are trying to study in Australia, you should come at ProInfo and Education Consultant, because you'll get a lot of help from them, and you'll get the best service over here.